Hey guys, okay, so my March 2019 Darn Good Yarn box, but I tried something different. I got the bead box. I'll get the yarn box too, but I'm trying out the bead box, see what it is, might find some cool things I can make. Ooh, what is this? I'm hoping to come across some really cool beads maybe, because I've never got this subscription. I want to get it for a few months, see what it's like. Because like these little tiny beads, if I get something that has enough beads in it, it'd make a really nice little addition to a shawl. But we'll look and see what's in here. Okay. Oh, here it is. It tells you... Nope. Okay, yeah. That tells you what all's in there. The directions. Oh, that's actually really cute. I think you would require to have a bead crimper for this. Okay, I will hold this up. You can pause this if you want to sit and read it. But I want to open this up. I want to see what we got in here. Let me zoom in some. So we've got a few different things in here. Oh, we got little tiny pieces. Got some jump rings. Sorry, this is so noisy. This is like the clasp right at the end. And this is the clasp for the other end with the part that clamps on. I used to make jewelry many, many moons ago. Oh, these are cute little glass beads. Not enough for me to do in some knitting, but you know what? I may end up making me a necklace. I haven't done any of this work in a long time. Oh, that is so cool. Look at this. It's already got to where basically you don't have to thread this. This is, you just put the beads on that and it'll thread right on it. Oh, and it's a string. It's not cord. Nice. Now, didn't it say it was made out of silk? Natural silk. That is neat. 100% natural silk. 2mm, 1 needle. And then we've got... Okay, I'm not opening up the crimp tubes. Which it'll show. I have to find mine. I don't know if I still have my crimp tool. They don't really cost too much if I remember correctly. Okay, so for $10, I got this fun little project. With everything I need. Which, believe me, if you wanted to make this necklace and went to the store to buy the materials, you would be spending more than $10. Because you couldn't buy just this mini. You couldn't buy just these little clasps down here. You'd have to buy big packs. But this is really neat. Okay, so it's something new I haven't tried out. So I came with all the supplies to make. I'll zoom in on it like this. This really cute necklace. The cord is silk, so that's really neat. Alright, cool. Okay, everybody, that's all I've got. I hope you enjoyed this video. Questions, comments, comment section below. If you want to try out the bead box or the yarn box, they have a fabric box too for quilters. All that information's in the video description below, along with a special coupon code. Special coupon code for everybody in the video description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Somewhere is a little bell. Click that bell to turn your notifications on. That way you'll get an email every time I have a new video come out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day.